The United Nations is a reflection of the world as it is and an aspiration of the world we know it can be. It is our responsibility to help build that world of peace, sustainable development and human rights for all. I know we can do it. The Charter of the United Nations, which entered into force 78 years ago today, points the way. Above all, it is rooted in a spirit of determination to heal divisions, repair relations and build peace, to expand opportunities and leave no one behind, to ensure justice, equality and empowerment for women and girls, to provide life-saving relief to those in need, and to be flexible enough to address challenges that did not even exist when the UN was born, from the existential climate crisis to the perils and promise of artificial intelligence. The United Nations is guided by timeless values and principles, but it must never be frozen in time. That is why we must always keep strengthening ways of working and applying a 21st century lens to all we do. On this United Nations Day, let us commit with hope and determination to build the better world of our aspirations. Let us commit to a future that lives up to the name of our indispensable organization. We are a divided world. We can and must be United Nations.